SafePath was the first company to manufacture wheelchair ramps out of rubber for the door hardware and architectural building industry. We started in 1997 and started up with our first patent and had one SKU, and we've now expanded to hundreds. We're always looking for hiring for operators. We operate from about 5 in the morning till about 10:30 at night, so we're running 2 shifts. We have many different varied skill sets that work here, from the labor force of just molding ramps to cutting them. We do a lot of custom work. Actually, the best part is that we get to use green. We're using completely recycled material, so we're helping the planet with that. We're also every day helping now millions of people get into facilities that are in wheelchairs. The perfect candidate is someone that wants to learn, that wants to have a career, that wants to be around for a long time, take advantage of our 401k programs, our medical health programs, and our incentive programs.
I love the atmosphere. I like the culture that we have. I love what we do, what we make, and the people that we help with the products that we make. It's a good career path because it's going to be around forever, and it makes the world go round. And manufacturing is going to be there, till the end. I would tell someone to come work here because we have great incentives, and we are a caring company. We care about safety and obviously keeping people happy and wanting to come back here every day to work.
This is extremely specialized. Places like Walmart, Dollar General, they have a very generalized purpose for you to be a worker. They want you to do you're going to be a sales associate, so you're going to be helping customers and so on and so forth. Here, I specifically deal with this. I build. That's what I do.
For me, it was the recycling part of it. Getting stuff out of our landfills. And I'm getting older, I have kids, I have grandkids. I want to leave a little legacy of some sort, and I think this is that thing for me. As for skills, we didn't need any skills to work here. Everything is trained on site. If they're willing to learn a new skill, the pay comes with that new skill. I started out as one of the employees, and now I am the production manager or production supervisor. In our case here at SafePath Products, we have an owner that is exceptional. He provides snacks and things for the employees, extra time off when necessary. He gives bonuses on a regular basis, just out of the blue. It's not you get a bonus at the end of this month, every month kind of thing. It's something that you've earned, and he appreciates the work that we do for him, and he shows his appreciation in those kind of ways.